How to make a rosette with an apple. Using a serrated knife, cut the apple in half. Cut 1 centimeter from the center. Cut into thin slices, 1 to 2 millimeters thick. Cut only 1/2 of the piece. Remove the first slice and push a toothpick at the base. Using a spoon baller, scoop out a ball. Push the toothpick on the ball, leaving 0.5 centimeters on top. Overlap the slices to create the rosette. Hide the tip of the toothpick with a berry. Here is another example. If you like the video, please subscribe and click on the bell to receive all notifications.